Today, we're gonna make bases collapse for satisfaction in Roblox Fortnite. This game is called Fortnite. Okay, I'm lagging. If it's really crappy recording, I don't freaking care. Okay, this is I'm crazy. I just want to make videos. So I have some made things. In the Philippines, it's called Singa. You probably know. If you are a Filipino, which I probably you stupid. That's so laggy world. Like I swear, the more you stay in this, alright, I think this base doesn't look. Yo. Where the hell did it go? It just disappeared. I think someone destroyed it. No. Okay.
Ano ba mapabili mo, tita? Ano si tita?
Milo. Especially the. I'm trying to record a video here.
Kape. Dali ko
Basta ko.
Milo Pancit Canton Rexona kape.
Milo Cafe Rexona.
Milo Cafe Rexona Pancit Canton. Sweet and spicy.
I'm trying to record a video.
You can do it.
Milo Pancit Canton Rexona Cafe.
Nasabi ko na.
Sabi ko na, be.
Ano sabi niya, be?
For the video.
Ano sabi niya, be?
Wala.
Milo Rexona. Ano? Pancit Canton kape.
Yeah, I know.
Wala akong bowl.
Let me do this. I'm trying to record a video. Mom, I'm trying to record a video, please.
I need it. I don't have bowl. Ay, ballpen pala. Kaya mo kay tita, ballpen.
Ballpen! Why a ballpen?
Lobat yung power ba?
Hindi ko alam. You're ruining my video, Mom. My YouTube video.
Anong pinoorin ko?
No, you're ruining my video. I'm trying to record a video here. I think this is the last one. Oh! Yeah, this is what's satisfying. Okay, yeah, that remove all my legs. Why do I walk like this again? Could this be a sky base that got destroyed? I swear someone climbed it, bro. No. Bro, this map is just ruined. Oh, this is not a base. Oh, that a base? That is a base. I hope no one's on it. There was someone on it. I just connect the base. Hello? Yep, they have to rebuild that again. It feels so full. Ah,
I can smile.
yeah.
Hala, si Sir, hindi mo niyo binabok yung ballpen ko. Hala, si Sir.
Si Sir?
Oo, doon sa ano. Balik yung boyfriend ko.
Boyfriend.
Ballpen ko. Balik.
This video is gonna be good. This is gonna be terrible quality video.
Ay, mag-Heartopia pala ako.
Heartopia, guys, you should play Heartopia and go follow my mom on TikTok. She plays Valorant and Heartopia. Yeah. There's two people fighting. Can I interfere? Man, I suck at aim. Dude, I heard that. I heard Heartopia, bro. Ooh, a base here. Someone killed. Oh, that's the base I destroyed right there, bro. I've done this multiple times. I can smell the aroma of egg. I'm getting hungry. Actually, I'm not. I'm so full. Heartopia. Ah. Bro, why is this ground not flat? Hey, don't interfere with my work, okay, guys? Don't. No, I can make basic commands. If you don't like and subscribe right now, I will collapse your lung. If that part is the most recorded on this, I'm gonna use it, bro. Dude, please, I need to collapse this whole building, and I also collapse. Dude, this takes a while. Jesus Christ! Yo, get away from me! Please ignore me! I didn't do anything! Please! Spare me! Spare me! Man, you suck at aiming, by the way. No! He's dead! Yippee! He's not gonna target me. Alright, bro! I'm freaking done! That's it, bro. That's it. These are so loud, bro. That's it, I'm ending.